Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and today we're going to discuss the BTC and Ethereum price actions. We're witnessing that the BTC broke the resistance level of $52,000, and we've been following this resistance line in the last 10 days or so, and the market start turning into bullish, which is usual market psychology. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and I hope this will help you to take your own trades. Before we start, as usual, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Weekly chart, we can see that last week we closed with this green candle. However, still I'm not convinced. As long as we're going to remain on the 4-hour time frame in the bearish territory, I think we're going to see the consequences of this bear engulfing candle in the coming days. Not much change. Still, weekly time frame is bullish. However, we might see, as I said, if the bulls cannot take the control in their hands on the 4-hour time frame, we might see some sort of correction in the market. Moving on to a daily chart. Daily chart, as you can see, we are having in the last 5 days a beautiful green candles. And we've been following since the March dump this parabolic curve. On the daily time frame, there is nothing changed. As I said, as long as we remain inside this parabolic curve, we are good to go towards the recent all-time high and above. If the price gets out of this parabolic curve, then we will see a panic in the market. 1-hour time frame. As you can see, as soon as the price action came towards 46,900, we tested the resistance as a support 1 at the moment. As soon as we broke this level, 49,700, we entered into a bullish territory after retesting this level. So 1 hour is extremely bullish on the Bitcoin. 2-hour time frame. As you can see, similar scenario. As soon as we broke 46,900, we went up, retested, and 2 hour is on the bullish territory. And as you can see, some may call it this on the 2-hour time frame as well as 4-hour time frame as a double bottom. And we got rejected from the support 1, which it used to be as a resistance, acted as a resistance. It came retested and we went all the way up to 54,400 level. At the moment, as you can see, 2 hours stuck in this region. And as a result, if you look into a stochastic oscillator, it's already maxed out. However, do not pay too much attention to the stochastic. It may remain for a long time above the 80 level because we are in a bull market. Before we move on to the 4-hour time frame, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. 4-hour time frame. As you know, as soon as we lost this level of 52,700, as you can see, we had a sharp decline in the market. Okay, retested. The support level held dollar to dollar from $43,000. In the last 13 days, nearly 2 weeks, we are in consolidation zone on the 4-hour time frame, which I've been mentioning a lot. However, the concerning point is, at the moment, we did follow this resistance. At the moment, it's acting as a support, 51,600, 52,700. We broke it. However, from my side, 4-hour time frame is still showing a bullish signal. At the same time, on the stochastic oscillator, as you can see, we had a death cross. So once we're going to get a bullish signal on the 4-hour time frame, I will take a long. However, at the moment, we are in a danger zone because this might be a fake out. If we're going to come to this level, retest 51,500 and 52,700, this time we should hold this level. Otherwise, the price action will visit support 1 as well as the support 2. However, if we're going to visit the support 2 this time, I think highly likely we might see a support 3, which is 38,000 and 36,300 levels. I would like to remind you that we've been following this parallel channel for some time. As you can see, it acted as a resistance, supported, and in the previously, right in the Elon Musk pump, it was supported again. Right before that, it was supported again. So don't forget that. Even if we go all the way up to 55,100, 200 area, we might have another resistance above us. So you can see it, median line acted as a resistance number of times in the past. So for swing traders, without a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, I would not recommend to open any long positions. At the same time, if you remember, we've been following this ascending triangle. However, we followed this resistance line before this ascending triangle formed. And as I said in the last video, the resistance line of this ascending triangle matched with our horizontal resistance. As you can see, clear breakout on the 4-hour time frame, retested dollar to dollar, and then we're going up. So again, be aware of the resistance level around 55,200, 400 area. And I also mentioned in the last video about this inverse head and shoulder. And the same scenario happened. We broke this right shoulder. At the same time, we broke our resistance line and price action heading towards the north. So for the bullish scenario, if we're going to come and retest this level, we should hold it and we are good to go towards the recent all-time high and above. And the target prices are still the same, it hasn't been changed. If we're going to come and retest, because as I said, 4-hour is not really convincing, and if we cannot hold it, then we have the levels of support 1, 2 and 3 down below. If we cannot hold this level, and I will make an instant update via Twitter account. If you're not following me via Twitter, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. Always, as I said, instant updates will be via Twitter. Moving on to Ethereum. On the 1-hour time frame, we are extremely bullish for the Ethereum. As you can see, we got rejected from the resistance line. We came, tested the support on the 1-hour time frame for a few hours. We went all the way up. And as soon as we broke this level of support level, 1570, we are in the bulls territory. 2-hour time frame for Ethereum. Again, similar scenario, it can be applied. As soon as we broke the support line, higher line of this support, we are in the bullish territory. 4-hour time frame for Ethereum. As I said, 1650 and 1700. As long as we're going to stay above, then we can take a long. However, same as a BTC scenario that we can see. You can see it. Clear breakout with this candle and retested dollar to dollar, and we went up all the way up to 1860 level. However, 4-hour time frame is not convincing, and again we might have a decent chance to come and to retest this 1650 and 1700 level. If that happens, and if we're going to lose this level, then highly likely we're going to go to 1470 and 1570 level in the first place. Second support line is going to be 1240 and 1290 area. At the moment, I'm following closely the 4-hour time frame. If we're going to get a good confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, and I will open a long position. Daily time frame doesn't look bad. In the last 3 days, we had these bullish candles, and there is nothing to add. The daily time frame is under the bulls' control. As I said, there is a decent chance for the BTC and as well as Ethereum. We're going to come and test the previous resistance, which is acting at the moment support. As long as we're going to hold, then we are good to go towards the recent all-time high. So the levels are clear, play safe, and do not forget to use the stop losses. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.